Hello and welcome to the Tuesday Tidbit. Today's Tuesday Tidbit is what is an FHA loan and what are the advantages of an FHA loan? So, FHA, Federal Housing Administration, is one of three different types of government loan programs. There's USDA, U.S. Department of Agriculture, made for rural properties, agricultural properties, and they're only available in certain geographic areas. There's VA financing, Veterans Affairs for our vets, and then there's FHA, Federal Housing Administration. So FHA used to be seen as a first-time home buyer program, and to be fair, that's how it was widely used. But then conventional financing loans that are backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, they came out with their own first-time home buyer programs that really kind of cut into the market share of FHA. So FHA went from being a first-time homebuyer program to now a low to moderate income credit score program. Conventional financing, they typically want to see you above 680. Occasionally, we get approvals down to a 620. FHA will consistently go down to a 620 credit score. So it is now a lower credit score program. They also will go up to higher debt to income ratios. So some of those kind of marginal qualifications where the credit score may be lower, the debt to income ratio may be higher, FHA may be willing to do those loans, whereas conventional likely would not. Now, it's kind of the advantage of FHA, 3.5% down, lower credit scores available options, higher debt to income ratio options. The downside to it is they charge mortgage insurance that's permanent in nature. Okay. If you have an FHA loan and you're putting less than 10% down, you're going to have mortgage insurance and it's going to be permanent. The only way to get rid of it is to refinance into a conventional loan. So they have higher costs. They also charge you both upfront mortgage insurance and monthly mortgage insurance. And then finally, they are more particular on the property that you're buying. It's a government loan. The government's worried about people buying homes that they, may present a current health, safety, livability concern. So FHA does have more strict property requirements. They also are much tougher to get loans on if the property is a condo. Very few condo complexes have been pre-FHA approved. So some of the advantages and disadvantages of an FHA loan and what it is. Hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.